Hi, my name is Patrick. I'm here to debunk a few common myths with regards to CAT examination. A lot of people believe, on some aspects about CAT, which technically need not be true. So let's try to look at one such myth, which is that you require to have a really good profile to get into good P school. Very frankly, no, it's not necessary that you want to get into a good B school. You have to have an excellent profile. Again, depends on a college. For example, if I look at ABC, I need a good academic profile. But beyond academic profile, I can get into ABC even if I have a little less of overall profile. For example, I've had students who are just freshers from normal graduation course from local colleges who got into IIM Ahmedabad. Okay, just a BCom or a BFM or something, or without work experience, without anything to boast about, managed to get into IIM Ahmedabad. I also have a person who has a low academic background in terms of less academics, but managed to get into IIM Calcutta after performing well in CAT. No other great shot. Did well in CAT, but did not get a call from IIM Ahmedabad and Bangalore because the academics were low. Got a call from Calcutta and was able to convert it. Right. So there are a lot of examples as such. Apart from that, let me look at others where academics profile is not really good. A student fresher gem, okay, graduate engineer male, um, so no work ex, so profile was really bad. His academics also was low, 60-70 percentage. He managed to get into XLRI after scoring a 99.98 percentile in that. So if you look at his profile, really bad, but managed to get into one of the top colleges purely by performing in the examination. Okay, and there are other examples as such where people have really performed well. For example, this year we had a student who had a 5 years gap after his graduation. For people say 2 years is bad. 5 years gap purely because he was writing the government examinations, therefore a gap was there. Managed to convert MDI Gurgaon after scoring well in the examination. Yes, he did well in the interview. Another example, I mean, normally we say SPGN looks at profile a lot. We had a student who had nothing is in his CV. In a sense, like there's nothing which you can boast about or talk in the interview. We try to find out when we are training him for interview. We try to find out what is it that he can sell himself in the interview. We realized that he had organized a few local events in his colony. We tried to portray it as a passion and initiative that he took to organize things, and that helped him to get into SPJ without any other great thing as such. Another example, I remember a case where we were training student for placements, student who are in a management college and training them for placement. So once a student where we were intrigued by, we had nothing to boast about. I mean, normally what happens in an interview, try to direct them into a particular area and try to get them talk about. In his case, we couldn't find anything. After a lot of thinking and thought process, etc., and brainstorming with him, we found that in some origami contest, his name was mentioned in one of the journals, international journals. That we then showcased because he said it was not important. I mean, he didn't even consider origami as anything which is to boast about. But we took that and tried to showcase it in the interview, and that helped him to clear the interview. You understand, clearing the interview when you're going in the interview stage requires you to showcase yourself, the way you portray yourself. You may have great achievements, but if you're not able to portray it, it doesn't help. You may have small achievements, but if you're able to portray in the right way, showing right qualities about yourself, there's a higher chance that you can get converted. And that is what is important. Important is how can you showcase whatever you have, whatever achievements that you have, maybe small enough, to help you convert the calls that you have. So it's not that you have to have a great profile, but yes, it is important that you can take the interview to the right direction. So even with not a very great profile, you should be able to convert the calls for the interview and get into a good B school. Right? I hope that is clear. Thank you.